Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $13.895. Okay, and if you look at the today's low, what we have seen, it has already made a low of around 2311.508. This is the low what we have seen. Now if you look at the trend from 4-5 days, you will see that it was in this particular range. Okay, we have not seen a very good volatile market because it is moving maximum of $30 to $40 per day. Okay, and this is the only way this trend. The day before, we have seen that the price has moved and hit both the highs and lows. Okay, looking at this particular chart, and if you see the dollar index also, you will see clearly that the price of the gold is moving in a particular zone. Okay, this is the zone. So as soon as the zone breakout happens, even upside or downside, that means if it goes above a level of $23.31, we can see there will be a further upside movement because there is a 4-5 days range will go higher. But if the price fall below this particular level, chances of going below a level of 22.84 will be there. Okay, and then once the price started moving below that particular level, a further low we can see. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a higher chances of going further high, because if you look at the dollar index is trying to go higher. Okay, and this particular pattern is also supporting that it can go further upside. Till the time it is sustaining above a level of 105, we will see there will be high in chances of going dollar index further upside. Okay, but if the price started moving below a level of 104.9, then there is a probability that it can come down. Okay, as soon as started going below 104.9, a further fall we can see towards 104.5, and then from there a further fall. Okay, now coming back to the explaining, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $22.18, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 22.27. Okay, 23.27, and this is 23.18. Once the price started sustaining above 23.27, further high we can see it can go towards a level of 23.29, and from there a probability of going above this particular level of 23.31. As soon as started sustaining above this particular level, we will see there is a higher chances that it can go further high, because we have seen that the price, because we can see that the price as soon as started going over level of 23.31, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 23.36, and from there a crossing of a level of around 23.46. This 23.46 is already being weak, so chances of crossing a level of 23.53 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances are higher. We can see a level of 23.65 and then to a level of 23.86. These are the resistance you have to understand, because this is the price. We have seen that if the price keep going upside, we can see there will be further higher. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, because market is always uncertain, as you know. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 23.04, then to a level of around 22.89. Keep with that in mind, that as soon as the price started going below a level of 23.11, which is already being weak, so chances are high it will go further low and can touch a level of 23.04, and from there a further low we can see towards 22.91. Okay, before touching a level of 22.81. After crossing a level of 22.91, a probability of touching a level of 22.81 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 22.84. Okay, as soon as the price started going below 22.80, because these two levels 22.81 and 22.80 are very close and is a strong support. So once started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 22.75 we can see, and this is the zone. So chances will be higher that once the price started moving below that level, we will see it will go towards 22.65. Once the price started going below 22.65, a further downfall we can see towards 22.